Good afternoon, everyone. All right, week before Christmas, 2023. If I look a little tired, it's because I am. Jeez. This time of the year, it's crunch time, and I try to get everybody's orders out as best I can in the time that I have. You know me, I don't rush anything, so I do the best I can. Nothing leaves here unless it's right. Now, those small hunters, that limited run there that I had up, I don't know, 2.5, 3 weeks ago, those are all gone. Of course, those sold out right away. And I have one here, actually, that by the time everybody sees this video, this will be gone out in the mail. But there's Tom. If you're watching this one's yours. So I know you mentioned you really like that United States stamp on the back there. That's been commented on quite a bit. Everybody likes it. So thank you, by the way. Thank you for all the orders. Oop, that's not quite the right. There we go. Alrighty. Wrong hand there. Alright, I thought they came out pretty good. Little guys. Very handy knife. Just fits really good in the hand. And that swedge on the, see if you can get that a little closer. Yeah, that swedge right on the end of the blade, that makes it look nice too. But got some really nice tiger on all these. A little darker. Of course, every piece of wood will take stain differently. You know, nice lanyard on the end of these. And I've got that carved. I call it a scroll on the right behind the handguard there. I had a short video up about this last week. I can't even remember how I put those in there. Those are all hand carved with files and stuff. It's it doesn't serve any purpose, but it looks nice. Kind of a nice touch to it. So, all right, that one, like I said, all those were sold right away. They're all gone. Had a medium-sized Frontier that I also had on order too. I was trying to put that out. And anyway, all these are spoken for, just in case anybody wants. I will be doing another limited run here shortly. We'll talk about that in a minute. But so these are, my goodness, these have become awfully popular here. These little medium, mid-size Frontier. I think that, yeah, that's what I'm calling them. Sorry. Whew. At this point in the year, even coffee doesn't even help that much. Well, it always helps, but geez, it's a couple of gallons of it. Anyhow, so yeah, they got a little longer swedge on that drop, kind of a drop point. Really nice knife, really nice. Anyway, this one's actually going to Alaska, Wasilla, Alaska. Gary, this one's yours. So I don't know if you're watching my video or not, but that'll be, well, whatever time it takes to get to Alaska from here. Now, that was the mid-size Frontier. I've got the full-size Frontier. Okay, this is my favorite one. And there's the sheath on that one too. Nice batch of leather I had gotten that last time there. Seems to be working out very well. I had used a different vendor that time. And like I think I mentioned before, I buy a side or two or more of leather at a time now. It saves money a little bit on that. Just a little hard to work with because it's such a big old roll of leather. Anyhow, there's, yeah, boy, that's a nice piece of tiger on that one too. I think the other side looks even better. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Anyway, this is starting to become one of my favorite knives. I mean, look at that blade there. Big old honking. I forget how, hold on a second. A little over 5.5 inches long on the blade. Really nice knife. Got, it's got jimping on the back, just like the tiny one there. Here, I'll show that one again if I can get it out of here. It's nice. Oop, nope, got the wrong one out. Not sure if I'd call this one so much of a mid-size. Yeah, I guess it's a mid-size. But the difference in the two, I got to hold on to both of them here, otherwise I cut the hell out of myself. So, maybe that way. There we go. Yeah, I guess that's mid-size. Anyway, these are very popular. You know, every time I make one, it's or it's been requested or whatever. That goes. But these big ones, I like that big old honking Frontier knife. Anyhow, okay, so that's about it for those. Let's see. I know everybody's been bugging me about those Hudson Bays, and I haven't forgotten anybody. Got a lot of those on back order too. I'm trying to get those done. So doing the best I can on those, but I'm going to have a run of those here. Probably won't be in January. Got a lot going on, but I'll be updating here on YouTube, and of course when I do something like that, I will be notifying everybody on the wait list. We're up to 230 people on there right now. So, yeah, okay. So, anyway, have patience with me, please. Doing the best I can. And now, Christmas week, I'm actually going to stop for a couple days because like I said, I'm tired and need to have a break here. Getting a little long in the tooth. In case you haven't noticed here, I could probably do a Santa by now here at this time in my life. I thought I had a few more years of that before I could do it, but yeah, that's pretty gray. Anyway, okay, may have another video at the end of the week. I don't know. It depends on what kind of shape I'm in. But if not, we'll catch everybody after Christmas or after New Year's. So I just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas again. Thanks everybody for all the activity here and all the support that I've had, and all the nice comments and everything on my work. I really appreciate all of it. We're doing great here on YouTube, and we're gonna keep on going. So anyway, Merry Christmas again. Happy holidays. Have a safe holiday season, everyone. Hopefully a wonderful new year too to come. Okay, thanks again. We'll catch everybody in the next one.